Today's recipe is a recipe of a sweet, an absolute traditional recipe from a place called Morena and Gwalior. You may have guessed it right. The name of the recipe is a Gajak Barfi. Let's begin. Well, Gajak for the uninitiated is sweet made with sesame and jaggery, in some cases sugar. And it's also called til sakri or til papdi, or it's got various names. It's also called til revdi if you kind of go in the heartlands of Uttar Pradesh. And the beauty of this is that it could get a little taxing, it could get a little challenging, but I'm making life extremely simple. And why I say challenging is because there's a cooking technique which is involved in this, which is the cooking of sugar, which can get extremely challenging because you need to understand the temperature, the timelines. It shouldn't get caramelized, but it also should reach a hard crack stage, which can get challenging. But I'm toning down the recipe. What I'm doing is taking sesame, of course, taking jaggery, churning it first into the blender, into the mixer grinder, and then we'll watch further. Let's begin. Well, these are untoasted, unpolished sesame seeds. Let's transfer these into the mixer jar straight off, and along with this the same quantity of jaggery. Now this is raw jaggery, again unprocessed, no soda bicarb, no adulterants, nothing, just pure jaggery. Let's run this into the blender till it's coarse. Our mixture is ground coarse and ready, and if you want to grind it further, by all means you can do that, but for me this is just about perfect. Let's turn the flame on and transfer this entire mixture into the pan. Let's mix this well. At this stage, let's also now add in some Khoya or mawa so that this kind of becomes nice, wonderful, soft and barfi-like. The heat of the jaggery will ensure that the sesame seeds now get roasted in that heat. And also the Khoya melts beautifully well. Keep turning this around in the pan to ensure that this does not get any burn spots. And with this, of course, the flame. Now, if I can quickly tell you the original recipe. You take sesame seeds, you roast them, you cool them down and you crush them. The next step is you take jaggery, you grate it, you cook it to a hard crack, and then you mix the sesame seeds. You mix them both and you sheet them nice and thin. Once that sets, that's the til papdi. Once that sets, you crack it into small pieces and you crush it into a powder, coarse or fine, that's completely your choice. You can also sieve it and use it. And then you take container, or you take a mold, or you take a tray or a ring, and you literally add all this and dab it down. Throw in a little bit of sesame seeds, allow this to cool down completely, and then you cut these into pieces. Whew. A good 2 hours of making Gajak Barfi. Now this one is an express recipe, literally under 10 minutes. You can have your guests coming in and then moving in the kitchen and making this recipe. It's that simple, that quick, that easy. Ladies and gentlemen, the next step is to flavor this. Now do not get it into complicated flavors. Let's keep it simple to green cardamom. Let's crush it quickly, mix it and sheet it. A quick mix. Once the green cardamom is perfectly mixed, time is now to transfer this onto a silpat. By any means, if you do not have a silpat, you can use a baking sheet or a butter paper. And now let's dip our fingers in cold water and dab this till you flatten it. If by any means you're uncomfortable doing that, you could use a palette knife or the back of your knife. We garnish this with roasted sesame seeds or toasted sesame seeds, chopped pistachios, and dehydrated rose petals. Now that this is kind of setting, this will take at least 15 to 20 minutes for it to perfectly set. Keep it at room temperature. If you want to hasten it up, you can also move this into the refrigerator and do the same thing in literally under 10 minutes. Now the beauty of this is you cut this into the shapes that you desire, the size that you desire, and feed your entire family. Our winter special and our festive recipe, which is a Gajak Barfi, is done and ready. Make this for your family, make this for your friends, and like I always say, spend more time with them in the living room than spending a lifetime in your kitchens. This is me, Varun Inamdar, signing off. Bye for now.